Hello students, I Trupti Dudat, lecturer of Information Technology Department, Vidyalankar Polytechnic, Mumbai. I'll introduce the course Digital Techniques and Microprocessor of semester 3. Course outcome. Course outcome 1 is that test the digital system, logic families and logic gates. Unit outcome is that you will be able to understand different types of binary logic, number system and conversion of number system. In this session, I'll introduce what is binary logic, types of binary logic system, types of number system and the terms related to number system. What we will learn in this session. First, what is binary logic? Types of binary logic, introduction to number system, terms related to numbers, classification of number system. Key takeaway. What is binary logic? Types of number systems and the terms related to number system you will be able to understand at the end of the session. Learning objective is that to build a digital system which includes microprocessor based system. Logic. When logic comes in our mind, we start thinking what kind of logic. Here in digital system, binary logic exists. First, logic 0, which represents off state or a 0 volt. Logic 1 represents on state or 5 volt. Binary logic. Binary logic always consists of two values. That is, logic 1 represents high level or logic 0 represents low level. In binary logic, these two voltages levels are used to represent binary digits. Logic 1 and logic 0 we use to represent two types of logic system. Types of binary logic system. First one, positive logic system. In positive logic system, 0 volts represents logic 0 state and plus 5 volts represents logic 1 state. Negative logic system. In negative logic, 0 volts represents logic 1 state and plus 5 volts represents logic 0 state. From the diagram, it is clear that in positive logic, logic 0 means 0 volts, logic 1 means plus 5 volts. Whereas in negative logic system, logic 1 means 0 volts and logic 0 means 5 volts. These two logic systems are vice versa. Define terms related to number system. First one, bit. Bit is the smallest unit or it is a single bit. Single bit is used to represent a different values in the form of 0 and 1. Nibble. It is a combination of 4 bits. For example, we have taken a 4 bits where B3 and B0. B0 and B3 represents LSB, that is least significant bit, and MSB is the most significant bit. LSB is always fixed, whereas MSB will change. Few more terms, that is byte. Byte, it is a combination of 8 bit, or we can say it contains 2 nibbles. For example, this consists of an 8 bit. So altogether 8 bit we called as an byte. Byte again classified into 2 types, higher order and lower order. And together this is called as in 1 byte. Word, it is a combination of 16 bits. Hence, it is consist of 4 nibbles or 2 bytes. Number system. Number system plays a very important role in digital system. In screen, you can see all different types of number. Number system we use to represent the data. You all can see this number. Number system is very important in digital electronics to represent all information. Number system has its different base or a radix, and we use commonly 4 types of number system, which are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Base or a radix is nothing but we use to represent the number, total digit present in that number system. For example, here you can see I have taken an example of 25.386. To know the number system, to convert the number system from one form to another form, it is very important to know the integer part and a fraction part. So here 25.386, where this point represents decimal point. 25 represents integer part and 0.386 represents fractional part. Classification of number system. Number system are classified into 4 major types. First one, binary number. Base 2 we use to represent binary numbers. Second, octal numbers. Base 8 we use to represent octal numbers. Decimal numbers, we use base 10 to represent decimal numbers, and the last, hexadecimal number, we use base 16 to represent hexadecimal numbers. We will study each of this number in details. First, binary number system. The number system which has base 2 is known as binary number system. It always consists of 2 values or 2 symbols which are 0 and 1. 0 and 1 binary digits we call as a bits. For example, 10011.00, where MSB and LSB exist. As I have explained, LSB is fixed and MSB
Next,
will octal number system. Number system with the base 8 is known as octal number system. It consists of total 8 numbers. The numbers are from 0 to 7. Total 8 numbers. Example of octal number system is 627.405 to the base 8. This number is always consist of the number from 0 to 7. Decimal number system. Decimal number system is always consist of with the base 10. It has total 10 symbols to represent the number, which is from 0 to 9. Example of decimal number system is also consist of the numbers from 0 to 9, and we write with the base 10. Hexadecimal number system. It consists of total 16 number. It is very popular in computer uses, and hexadecimal number plays a very important role in binary system. It has total different symbols, 16 total different symbols other than this 3 number. This number is very unique because it consists of numbers as well as letters, which includes number from 0 to 9 and letter from A to F. Example of number system: A36 to the base 16. This example is also consist of from number from 0 to 9 and letter from A to F, where A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12, D stands for 13, E stands for 14, and F stands for 15. 0 to 9, total 16 bits. Thank you. If you have any query, you can mail me at trupti.patel@vpt.edu.in.